What is going on, everybody? Back with another video. Oh, the sun's really bright, sorry. Back with another video today. Today I'm super excited. We're gonna be back to riding, going to the track, training. So basically, we got the bike together, it looks good. Put all the old stuff back on it, fender's broken. But yeah, sick. This is actually my mod motor, so this bike's pretty fast. Hopefully it runs good. Link's Racing. I'm actually moving up to a 250 soon, which is really exciting. I can't wait. We're gonna have bikes for sale soon if anybody wants to buy them. 125. That one's pretty much brand new, barely has anything on it. We just got it. Yeah, but we're gonna get everything loaded up, head over to State Fair. Should be a good day. Should be a lot of fun to ride and throw it on some fast laps. That's the goal, right? To the track. But today I finished up riding, and then we're actually gonna go get a 250 today, which I'm super excited about. I've been waiting to move to a 250 for a while, and yeah, I'm excited for this step. And it's 2019, it's got 7 hours on it. It's pretty much brand new, and yeah, we're gonna drive there and get it right now. Just pulled up, hopefully everything goes good. Get this bike, should be a good day. Just got the new bike, looks sick. Now off home, load this thing up and freaking ride around the house. And then Glen Helen tomorrow. The first day on a 250. Got the new 250, looks sick. Super stoked. Shout out to the parents. Pretty stiff. See how she rides. The throttle. Bam, you guys, that is the new 250. I'm super excited on it. Thing's faster than shit. I'm super excited to ride it. And oh yeah, man, I love this thing. I'll be riding it soon. Make a video on it most likely, on how I like it, what it feels like, and just the differences about it with the 125. Obviously it's torquier, it's heavier, it's just a whole lot easier to ride. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video.